Hi everybody, and welcome back to another tutorial of crocheting. Today we're going to see the knit stitch. It's another variety of single crochet stitch. Before the stitch, I'm going to explain how I've made this basket, and the instructions for this basket. You can find them on my blog. The link to my blog, you can find it at the end of this video or under the title, the description of my video. Now I've made a magic ring. Then into the ring I've made 8 single crochets. Then first round I've made in each one of the stitches, I've made 2 stitches in each one of the stitches. The same thing for the second round, 2 stitches in each one of the stitches you have. Then third round I've made in each I've made 1 back loop single crochet in each of the stitches. Round 4, 1 single crochet in each one of the stitches. And then I've started the main stitch, and in each round I've changed color of the yarn, so you can change, alternate the rows, and finish the basket by making 2 rounds of the same color. And if you want, you can make a border of blanket stitch or crab stitch, etc. Now we're going to see the knit stitch. It's very simple. Normally we crochet here, we insert the crochet here. In order to make this stitch, the knit stitch, we insert the crochet here, and we draw a loop normally, as when we working a normal single crochet. Yarn over and pass the yarn through the 2 loops you have on the crochet. I repeat, we insert the hook not here but here, and we draw a loop. We have 2 stitches on the crochet hook, and yarn over and pass the yarn through both loops. Again, we insert the hook here and we draw a loop, and we have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pass the yarn through both loops. Last time, because it's very easy, I repeat, we insert the hook not here but here. We draw a loop, and we have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pass the yarn through both loops, and that's the knit stitch. And I repeat, the instructions for this basket, we can find them on my blog, and you can find my blog's link at the end of this video, or below the title of this video on YouTube, in the description section. I hope I've been useful. Thanks for being with me. Till next time. Bye bye.